What happens when you combine AI with Excel spreadsheets? You can write in this formula and it will generate an answer for your input. Say you wanted to write a tagline for multiple different companies. Check it out. I thought the dog collar one was the best. For the pup who loves to strut their stuff, the collar that's rough. Get it? Another example. Say you want to find the top real estate agent in Sydney, Melbourne, Brisbane, Perth. It can spit out their company name, address, email, website, all for you. So this is a free Google Sheet add-on. So all you need to do is go to extensions, add-ons, and then get add-ons. Look for GPT for Sheets and Docs. Once you've installed it, you can then access the guide on how to use it. So there's tabs over here, which I totally missed, but they've got setups, how to use, and examples that you can do. After you install it, you will need to set up an API key, which essentially allows you to connect OpenAI with your Excel spreadsheet. It is something that you have to pay for, but it's like 2 cents per 1,000 tokens. Follow for more AI tips for business.